Hey guys, this is Ty from Tennessee, and thanks to White Lightning Harley Davidson, today I'm going to be able to test drive this 2021 Road Glide Special, so stick around. Let's see, we are going without a heel toe shifter today. Let's turn the radio down, get the infotainment set up the way I like it. Make sure nothing's coming along. Now, full disclosure here, as I'm pulling out of the parking lot, this is the first time that I have ever been on a road glide. And I am pretty excited about it. I've owned 2 street glides, currently own one now, and this is the first time I've been on a road glide. One of the things I noticed right from the start, it just seems like the fairing is so much larger, it takes up so much more space. But that's not a bad thing at all. Whoop, see, automatically forgot. Got to use my toe instead of my heel. It's very familiar. The bike feels extremely familiar, and that's just because, from what I'm told, it's the same type of bike on the same type of frame for the most part, except the fairing. Now, if you're looking for a lot of technical specs and that type of thing, I'm probably not your guy. You can probably find other videos that have that information. I'm just a normal dude that likes to ride motorcycles, so here we go. Again, as we're kind of waiting at red lights a little bit to get going here, I want to thank White Lightning Harley Davidson. Waldo is my sales guy over there these days. Oh lady, come on. And Sean, the general manager, for letting me take this bike out. But this bike, the color of this thing is absolutely gorgeous. It is the burgundy teal, and I love it. I'm a big fan of those kind of pastel, crazy type of colors. The street glide I had before the one I have now was the Tahitian teal. It was a 2020 Tahitian teal. It was beautiful. But yeah, this color is absolutely beautiful. I love it. If you've ever been on a street glide, then you kind of understand this is a big bike that's got the 114 in it, and that 114 will definitely move. And one of the things I noticed, it seems like with the street glide fairing, the fairing is more kind of in your face type of thing, where the road glide seems like everything is spaced out a little bit more. I really do like this fairing as far as the storage capacity that's in it. You know, on my street glide, in that fairing, there's just not a lot of places to put stuff. But here, you've got a lot of different storage. And how could you possibly complain about the Milwaukee 8 114 that's in this bike? The handlebars on this one, you know, is that standard stock right from Harley, but to me it's comfortable. I know a lot of people don't like it, and I'm cool with that, but really for me it is a comfortable feeling. Something else about this bike, since it is a 2021, you've got the cable clutch versus the hydraulic clutch. So my 2020 was a hydraulic. No, yes, my 2020 was a hydraulic, and my 2021 is a cable clutch. And I can tell a little bit of a difference on it. I'm not super familiar with the differences on it. It feels like with the newer ones with a hydraulic clutch, I've got to squeeze it a little bit more to find that friction zone. But not bad at all. What I'm curious about with this is the fairing, right? The big debate, the hot debate, road glide fairing or street glide fairing, and how does it feel as far as the wind? And it might take more than just a few miles, but I can tell you, I mean, there's no buffeting right now. I'm very comfortable. I can feel the wind passing around me, and no trouble at all whatsoever. This is just an exceptionally good bike. And with these bikes, as big as they are, the street glide and the road glide, you know, they're right around, what, 850 pounds or so. You would think it might be a little tougher to maneuver these motorcycles, but they're so well balanced and so maneuverable. There's really no problems at all, even at slow speeds like this. I'm gonna turn right here. Yeah. That was a good little turn. We got to test out the front of the bike as far as how it does with steering and that type of thing. No problems at all. I really like this. A buddy of mine has a road glide. We ride together all the time. I think he's got 14s on the handlebars, but this is just an exceptional product from Harley Davidson. It really is. I like this motorcycle a lot. And also with the Street Glide Special, you get the stretched saddlebags on this motorcycle, and I love that look. It looks so sharp. That was one of the features that drew me to my current motorcycle I have, is those stretched bags. And I think with the Street Glide Special, currently from Harley, there's a combination of, what, 10 different paint schemes, including if you want blacked out or chrome, and I think they have 5 of each, 5 chrome, 5 blacked out. This one right here is one of the blacked out versions, and I think it looks great with this color. I'm more of a fan of the blacked out than I am the chrome, and it just looks, it's exceptional. Yeah, the mirrors, the Harley Davidson mirrors, kind of the standard ones you get with your bike. I've got great visibility. I can see all around me, no problems there. Really good height. Again, a very familiar feeling to me on this motorcycle. I feel like I could take this guy out and ride all day, no problems whatsoever. Makes me want to get home, get mine out of the garage and go for a ride on a beautiful day like today. All right, so as we turn back into Harley Davidson, I just wanted to say thank you to the dealership. And if you are in the market for a new or used motorcycle, I want you to go over there and I want you to talk to Waldo. He is my boy, good friend of mine, and he will hook you up. Any of the people will over there. But Waldo is a good dude. He'll take care of you, and tell him that Ty sent you for sure. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I sure do appreciate it. If you would give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, that would just be awesome. I hope you have an excellent day, and we'll talk to you again soon.